BTS and K-beauty become my ultimate choice. It's a big part of my life.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Also, annyeong everybody. This time we are coming up with new K-influencer mission. And from the title itself, you already got understand half of the story, I guess. If not, then that's why this video is all about. My ultimate choice is from BTS to K-beauty. How does it happen? So let's get into the video. Like, BTS is the only reason why I get into K beauty. These two is something that I adore the most. You already know that I love K culture a lot. Like almost everything about South Korea, I love. Loving is not enough, so that I got obsessed. The story start from BTS itself. Like, they are the owner of the story. When I watched BTS contents, like, I was into them so much. They are behind the scene and Bangtan TV content. Even if I'm eating something, I need to watch their. If I'm doing my makeup, I need to watch their content. Even I am sleeping, I need to listen to BTS music. And even if I'm doing something work or creating content, I put my tab aside, and like with BTS content, doing my work and watching content, it's like my full day schedule was packed with BTS content and musics. That was, it's like that crazy. And also, it's not ended here. It's like a long journey and the ultimate journey that I don't think so will land in this life. I guess I got influenced with the like the makeup artist and the hair artist out there, because the way they do BTS members makeup and hairs, and I was like watching them doing all the things. Wow, their makeup skills is sort of different from Indian makeup skills, like, right? So many Korean makeup artists doing the makeup on celebrities, everything. I've watched so much influenced of those things, of those makeup or skincare product. I was like, I need that right now. I was a person that never into makeup or beauty or the skincare or something, but you can see me now. I'm packed with makeup, right? So you can see the difference. Learning Korean makeup, watching Korean beauty content, and everything become a part of my life. Really a big difference between Indian and Korean makeup. And I try to explore more and more. So I do a makeup artistry course from Delhi onwards, and then I became makeup artist, but in my own country. Yes, there is a dream in me to be a makeup artist of Bangtan boys, but what I'm doing right now is also like a dream. So yeah, I'm living my dream somehow as well, but obviously exploring Korean beauty and Korean makeup is literally a game changer for me. If I get a chance to go Korea, I have to try every Korean culture things. Then I will definitely spend my day in buying Korean beauty products, because I've seen a lot of bloggers do that, and I am a huge fan of Korean beauty. BTS and Korean beauty is my ultimate joy. I would die for it's like this much loved. And yeah, this is all what I have to say. If something more I need to explain in this, there is no limits and words to explain all the things. So yeah, that's all my ultimate way. And let me know about what yours, like, what do you like about Korean culture most, like food or their drama, K-pop idol, K-drama, or favorite actor, actress, anyone or anything. You have to tell me right in the comment section. This is all about mine. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.